Hey guys, Terry Brighton here from Brighton Racing in Wingham, Ontario. It's October 20th, 2024. Nice fall day. It's like 75 degrees out. Can't complain what we're getting today for October 20th. What I have on the test stand here today is a 340, and it is for Dennis. It's going in a 74 Dart Sport. Dennis has a slant 6 in the Dart Sport right now, and he wanted to upgrade, but he didn't want to quite go to a stroker, so we built this 340. This one here is a 71 340 block. It's got the forged crank. It's all balanced with the L2316 forged pistons. It has rebuilt X heads on it. All the machine work and stuff was done at St. Clair Engines in Richmond, Michigan. It's got the smallest Thumpr cam that Comp makes. I'll put the part number in the build specs below. It has the, I think it's a Speedmaster intake, and if I didn't say, it's got the rebuild X heads. So let's start this up for Dennis, and we'll see how it sounds. Broke the cam in last night. Those Thumpr cams do sound good, even the smallest one. And there's Dennis's 71 340 for his 74 Dart Sport. Thanks for watching.